Good morning, students. Welcome to the class with mathematics. Today we will have the new concept, that is prime number and composite number. So here I have written some numbers and their factors. 1, the factor is 1, factor of 2, 1 and 2, factor of 3, 1 and 3, factor of 4, 1, 2, 4, factor of 5, 1, 5, factor of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, factor of 7, 1, 7, factor of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, factor of 9, 1, 3, 9, factor of 10s, 1, 2, 5 and 10, factor of 11, 1 and 11, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What we observe from here, that is some numbers are there having only exactly two factors. Here 2 has only two factors, 3 has only two factors, 5 has only two factors, 7 has only two factors, then 11 has only two factors. So some numbers have two factors and some numbers have more than two factors. Here 4 has three factors. In the same way 6 has four factors. In the same way 8 has four factors. 9 has three factors, and 10 has again four factors. 12 has six factors. So based upon this fact, that we can classify into two types, that is the one is the prime number, another is the composite number. So what is the prime numbers? So what is the prime number? The number which has exactly, or you can say only, two factors, in which one factor is 1, one factor is 1 and other the number itself. So the number which has only two factors. Now look at these two factors. One factor is 1, another the number itself. In this 3, one factor is 1, another factor is 3 itself. In 5, one factor is 1, another 5 itself. And another in 7, 1 is 1, another factor is 7 itself. In 11, one factor is 1 and other the 11 itself. So in this way we can define the prime number. Whereas the composite numbers, now what is composite numbers? The numbers which has more than two factors, they are called composite numbers. So look at here, 4 has three factors, 6 has four factors, 8 has four factors, 9 has three factors. So these type of numbers are called the composite numbers. Now we can find out many more prime numbers and composite numbers through an activity. Here I have written some numbers right from 1 to 100 in this chart. So what I will do there, that is 1. So look at 1. It is not a prime number nor a composite number. Why? Because it has only one factor. So 1 is the number which has only one factor. Another, now come to 2. 2 is a prime number. I indicated it by the red one. So next one is 3 is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. Next 5 is prime number. 7 is prime number. Now 11 is prime number. Next one is 31 is the prime number. Right? Then we have now look at the multiple of 2. The multiple of 2 is 12, 22, 32, 42, 42, 52. Here we have the multiple of 2. These are all even numbers. So every even number is a composite number. 2 is the only even number which is a prime, whereas the others even numbers, they are not prime numbers. So I indicated them into by the green pen. So these are all even numbers. So these are composite numbers. Now come to the next one, 3. 3 is the prime number. The multiple of 3, they are also the composite number. Which are the multiple of 3? Here 33, it is a multiple of 3. 13 is not multiple of 3 because 3 4 are 12, 3 5 15, so it is not multiple of 3. 23 is not multiple of 3. 43 is also not multiple of 3. 53, it is not multiple of 3. 63, it is multiple of 3, so it's a composite number. Now 73 is not multiple of 3. 83 is also not multiple of 3. Next one is 93 is here. It is 93, 94, 95. So it is a multiple of 3 indicated by green pen. Now all even numbers are except 2. Except 2. 2 is the only even number which is prime. So other even numbers are not prime numbers, they are composite numbers. So encircle them. Right. Now multiple 5 is a prime number, but their multiples are not prime number. So indicate them by green, they are composite. Now 6 is a even number. What I said, 6 is even numbers is a composite. All even numbers are composite except 2. So next is 7. So 7 is a prime number, and multiple of 7s are not prime number, right? So here let's see that 7 multiple of 7, it is not multiple of 7. 27 not multiple of 7, it is the multiple of 3. Okay, it says multiple 37 not multiple of 7. 57, 67, 77 is a multiple of 7. 87 is not multiple of 7. 97 also not multiple of 7. Now 8 is even number, so circle it. Now 9 is a composite number, right? Their multiple also composite number. So their multiples 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, right? There then 63 and 72, and last one 81. It is a multiple of 9. Next is 10. 10 is a composite number, so right. Now next one is, look at 21. 21 is a multiple of 7 and 3. Now next one is 41. So 41, it is a prime number. Next 51, it is a multiple of 3. 61, next 71, this is 91, is a multiple of 7. Now here we have now numbers are there. Which numbers are left now? Here 41, here 61, 71, here 13, 23, 43, 53, 73, 83, 17, 37, it is 47 here. 47, it's a 57, it is a multiple of 3. Then 67, then 87, it is also multiple of 3. It's 97. Now 19 is 29. 39 is a multiple of 3. Right. Next one is 49. It's a multiple of 7. Now 59, 69 is a multiple of 3. Now is a multiple of 9. Now the number which has rest numbers, 41 prime number, it's a prime, 71 prime, 23 prime, 23 prime, 43 prime, 53 prime, 73 prime, 83 prime, 70, 17, 37, 47, and here is 67, let's say 97 is there, 19, 29, 59, 79, 89, right? So in this way we can find out the prime numbers and even numbers. So we will do the same activity and do the same activity and find out the prime numbers and composite numbers. Thank you and have a nice day, please.